Hi, this is Orit Esther Riter with today's Daily Dose of Emuna. Today we're going to talk about how we can become flexible. We want to flex those muscles to change. God willing, it takes a lot of strength. It takes a lot of Emuna to change, to let go, to open yourself up, to go beyond yourself and become something new. To really renew yourself takes a lot of courage. Takes a lot of Emuna because you have to believe that there's something else that's really waiting for you, that you have yet to claim, that you have yet to seize. You have to believe in that. And when you could believe in that, then you have ignited your spirit to really run after. There's a beautiful saying that I've adapted and kind of changed a little bit. And the axiom that I like to go by is if you believe that you were capable of dysfunctioning and dismantling something, then you also have to believe that you have the power to also reassemble it. If you dismantled it, you can reassemble it. Because if you took it apart, then the pieces are there. You could take a little bit of your heart that was here, a little bit of your anger that was there, move that aside, put the heart back in, you can reassemble yourself. And we've all had moments in our life, particularly in the last year, those that are conscious, sometimes they're unconscious, but we know we've all had moments where we felt very broken and we can't even remember where we left ourselves in that last scenario. But we have the ability this month. Again, it's not because we are capable of even doing it on our own. We can't do anything. But the energy of this month, Hashem has given us 40 days from the beginning of Elul, 30 till Rosh Hashanah, and then an extra 10-day bonus. He's given it to us so that we can in fact believe in ourselves, that we can believe that we have the power to change. Who says that you have to be today the way that you were for the past years? Who says you have to be the same? Who says you have to live up to those natural tendencies that you're so used to seeing yourself living in? Why not ignite in you a new fire, a new zest, a new feeling of empowerment when you wake up in the morning and just say to yourself, I know that I can change. I have to believe in myself. I have to be the one to first decide to make that change. We all go through such hard times. The year is packed, jam-packed with trial and test and challenge and moments of weaknesses and tragedy. The main thing is to remember that we're all in a tunnel. This is not the final destination. If we resist the change, then we're basically saying, that's it, we're stuck. We can't move anywhere. There's nowhere else to go. But if you keep your mindset and understand that we're all in it together, you're not alone. I'm not alone. We're here together. And there's a flickering of the light even inside the tunnel. Sometimes you can hardly see the flicker, but it's there. You have to believe and trust that it's there. And you have to also believe and trust that this tunnel eventually leads us to somewhere else, to the final destination, to a bigger, brighter, well-lit place where we'll be able to see everything from a very, very different perspective. And this month, Elul, is sort of like an enhancement of that tunnel where we get to really look and see ourselves going through phases. And now the new phase that's coming upon us is a phase of essentially renewal. I'm going to end by saying that many, many times we're resisting to change because we just feel, I just don't have the strength to do it. I don't have the strength to do it. I don't even know where to start. And part of the reason, it's almost like a vicious cycle. Part of the reason why we feel like we can't do it is because we haven't seized those parts within us that are the strength areas, the storage houses of strength, of wisdom, of insight. We haven't seized them. If I look at myself today on a conscious level, there's probably going to be parts of myself that I feel that I can't handle. But if I'm willing to change, willing to go inside myself and explore what is down there, what is inside of me, I'm made out of godly stuff, which means there's endless things going on inside of me. There's endless possibilities going on and being accessed that I can access within myself. I don't have to jump over the mountain or fly on a plane or travel days at the sea. It's here, it's inside of me. I can access it. I just have to believe that there is a storage house of change inside of me. The only way to get to it is by knowing that up until now, even those mistakes, even those things that I have done, I could still let them go. I can take responsibility for it, make a conscious decision to not return there, make a plan action, what I could do to ensure that I won't go back there. And then, of course, all this is accompanied by heartfelt prayer to Hashem to have compassion, that we should be successful in all that we do. And with that, when we remove the mists, we could see the sun shining through, and we can understand that we can change. So, God willing, let's all take out our flexible muscles, and let's be willing to explore that there is change, that we want to change, and let's let that out to Hashem and say, I do want to change. Can you help me? Can you show me what I need to change? Because I really, really would like to, and I know this is the time. So with that, I hope that all of us will be able to really seize that, and I'm wishing everybody an amazing, amazing Emuna-filled day, filled with smiles.